What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the MSA 400 4x4 utility quad with the snowplow included. Call us right now if you guys have any questions on this bad boy machine right here, right in this video. This one here, it's got all kinds of features. First off, it's fuel injected. So again, EFI, electronic fuel injection. This one here also has real nice knobby tire, real nice shock, along with lots of movement there. It is water cooled, so again, you can operate for long periods of time without burning out that motor. You've got your nice 2,000-pound winch right on the front, and the winch here will bring the plow up or put it down, and you can go ahead and tilt it left and right. This one here, all you got to do, hit the button, in and out, and you can go ahead and move that plow up or down with ease. And again, any questions, call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. And again, on the sale of this quad, it's going to come with the snowplow. You have your optional 2-inch receiver that actually does now come included on the sale of this item. Also, you've got your nice independent suspension, disc brakes in the rear and the front as well, powered by a powerful 400cc gas-powered 4-stroke engine. This one also has high, low, neutral, and reverse. The MSA 400, again, switchable from 2-wheel drive into 4-wheel drive, along with your digital dash meter right there. Now this one here, again, it's got nice LED lights in the front. You've got high and low, and then you also have your override as well. And this one here, to get it going, all you got to do, put it in gear, and that's it. Again, fully automatic, easy to ride, easy to drive, fuel injected, 400cc gas-powered engine. Again, easily switchable from 2-wheel drive into 4-wheel drive right here. Again, high and low, reverse. And we can ship these bad boys nationwide all across the entire USA. So give us a call today. Toll-free number here, 866-606-3991, and the website, SaferWholesale.com. 60-inch blade on this bad boy right here. It's going to come with the nice black rims. Nice rack in the front as well as the rear. Nice wide seat as well. Again, call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. You've got your nice light in the rear there, brake light. And this one we have in the red color, the green color. We've got gray and camo. Get yours today. Again, call 866-606-3991, and the website is SaferWholesale.com.